Yes, this is a restaurant. We are at Thammachadocha restaurant in Nonthaburi. We just had lunch with Pook and her friend's family. I didn't get much for what we had to eat, but I'll show you the aftermath. And we're just walking around the restaurant. Beautiful place. Although the name of the restaurant is in Thai, the menu does have both English and Thai.
ว่างก็จะนู่นเลยกลับบ้านไปปลูกต้นมะพร้าวไม่เป็นไรเด็กๆทานได้แต่อย่างเงี้ยไม่ได้
Oh, she got the red velvet cake. An English telephone booth. I guess you can go in here. Maybe not. There are many little outbuildings where you can eat. There's another building. There's a Pook. And of course there's many places to take selfies. There's another one of the buildings. Let's see what appears through the roots. We were sitting over in that building. Top. Looks like they have a little greenhouse building there. Oh, looks like they have a little cactus cell going on. There's Pook and her friend Nitt, and her daughter, and her son standing in the background. That is it for the video. When we got up to take to film some stuff, they paid for the bill, so I have no idea how much it cost. Who knows? It was cheaper than what you could find in America. So we'll see you on the next video.